Internet with Cooking Couture and Lisa. So I'm gonna just quickly sear some steaks, smother them. I got garlic, onions, peppers, seasoned up the steak. These steaks look really good. Actually, this is gonna come out great. I just need my steak to be about a medium. And then I'm gonna brown them, I'm gonna flip them, and then I'm gonna throw them in the oven. Or let them rest in the oven. And they're gonna be delicious. The water to a boil, and I put chicken bouillon in it. If you don't have chicken stock, always keep you some chicken bouillon. This is one of the ones that I use. I keep plenty. And so I'm throwing the Brussel sprouts in the boiling chicken broth, and I'm going to bring them to a quick boil so that they're tender. I'm gonna take them out because I'm really gonna roast them. I just like to ensure that they're gonna be tender. So I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on top of this, and then I'm gonna roast them with a little bit of honey and some Parmesan cheese on top. They're gonna be delicious. Okay, so I quickly boiled the Brussels sprouts and the chicken bouillon, and I opted out for the honey, and I decided to put sun-dried tomatoes over them. And then I did a little pink Himalayan sea salt. I did some granulated garlic, and of course some black pepper on them. And then I put the sun-dried tomatoes on them, and then I grated some fresh parm on them, and I'm gonna throw them in the oven and let them bake. This is going to be delicious. And then the steak is resting, it's ready. I put a little flour on it because I wanted that little crust, like a little gravy-ish on that. Then I got my eggs over here. I'm either gonna put eggs in the salad or I'm gonna do deviled eggs to go with this dinner.